Hello everyone. Today I want to explain what is view and counter view. How to write view and counter view. In this type of writing skills, generally a statement of view is presented to the student who is expected to elaborate and strengthen the idea contained in the statement. He may make references by way of short stories, anecdotes, illustrations, etc. However, whatever is the content of his view should not be conflicting, nor should it be weak in substance. On the other hand, a counter view is the opposition of what is stated in the view and therefore must be even more forceful in its content and language so as to effectively convince the reader. Now, how to write view and counter view? The objective of this activity is to help you to think logically and express your views and counter views about the given topic politely, firmly, and convincingly. For this question, you will be given a particular view regarding some current issue or topic. You are expected to write a counter view of that issue or topic. This means that you have to give your opinion against the issue or topic given. Some kind of guidance regarding the view, perhaps in the form of points or in the form of a news item, etc., will be given you. You are expected to write a paragraph which reflects the exact opposite of the views expressed. The answer to this question should be almost like a speech. It should be argumentative and you should state your opinions firmly. The language used for this answer should be very formal and the tone should be as if you are addressing an audience. You can use exclamations and rhetorical questions. Give a suitable title to your answer. Ensure all the key points are included in your answer. Now next, marking scheme. Title, proper beginning and conclusion 1 mark. Appropriate vocabulary and grammar 1 mark. Expression of opinion in lucid language with logical order, then again 2 marks. Appealing and convincing manner of expression 1 mark. Total 5 marks. So, while writing view or counter view, that time read the question properly. If write a view, then you have to write view. Okay, you read the counter view points and you have to write view. And if write a counter view, then you have to write counter view. Okay, see the viewpoint and you have to write counter view. If write a view, you read the counter view and write view. Views and counter views are basically views in support or views against any particular given idea. For example, importance of internet in modern times. One must read the idea given thoroughly, think over it and prepare a paragraph in support or against the topic. So, read your question properly. If view, you write view. If counter view, you write counter view. Thank you.